Alright, so today we're going to be looking at two stocks. We're going to be looking at Apple and we're going to be looking at the S&P. As you can see today, Apple and the S&P are very, very similar. They're moving almost exactly the same. They basically have very, very, very similar trends. Right now, we have one of our indicators on our chart, but we're just going to zone in on it. Now, take for example, the first trade of the day. Let's just zoom into it. So here we are, looking at the Apple chart, zoning in. Now, the price of Apple at that moment in the beginning of the day was close to $160. S&P was close to $420. Obviously, the price is different. However, the market uh, the market patterns of the day were very, very similar. So as we can see, the market starts off in a bearish trend and then it hops into a bullish trend and then it hops into a bearish trend, bullish trend, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, and bearish, and ends in a bearish trade. So we're looking at this, and this indicator isn't going to save you from anything. It isn't going to be the ultimate thing that's just gonna make your portfolio increase in value. No, there's a lot more that takes place when it comes to trading. There's practice that comes involved, there's psychology, there's so many things, but as we can see, the market goes down and up, and a lot of the time, it's not always a good idea to stay in the trade until the trend changes, according to this. Now, the reason why I say that is because a lot of investors, a lot of traders, a lot of day traders, they get in and they get out and they get in and out again. So if they're in a position over here, if they entered into a short and they realize that it hit the outer bands, they might take profit over there because they know that the market is going to reach the white line again. So that's just this for Apple. Now let's just look into the S&P. This is very, very similar. You still would have, there is incredible potential here, especially from the hours of 12 o'clock to about 1. So during this time period, it would have been a profitable hour. Now there are other ways to identify when to exit a trade, such as support and resistance levels. Um, as well as other indicators. So this is it for today, S&P and Apple. There are many, many, many other stocks that are on my watch list that I haven't gone over, but this is just a little taste of how you can earn more while you're taking care of your other obligations and duties, whether you're working, whether you're exercising, whether you're spending time with family. You can set a trade and just be mindful of the charts. You can set alerts, and you can earn more that way, or you can just do this on the side with what you're doing.